Hi friends, how are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to our channel Namma Aduge, which means food from our kitchen. Today in our kitchen we are going to prepare a simple South Indian breakfast recipe which is known as Paddu. This dish can also be made sweet or spicy. But today I am preparing the spicy version of it. As you see, the texture of the paddu has turned out to be very soft, which I have prepared. So let us see what are the ingredients that we need to prepare this easy recipe. We will need 2.5 glass of dosa rice. This is the measuring glass that I have used. Black gram 3/4 glass. Bengal gram 3/4 glass. Fenugreek seeds 1 teaspoon. Beaten rice 1 bowl. Oil 3 teaspoon, mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, green chilies 2, curry leaves few, onion 1. I have chopped the onions here. First of all, in a bowl I will take 2.5 glass of dosa rice, 3/4 glass of black gram, 3/4 glass of Bengal gram and 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seed. I'll go ahead and wash all of this for around 2 to 3 times in water. After washing this thoroughly, I will go ahead and add hot water and soak it for around 3 to 4 hours. Or what you could do is, you could add plain water and soak it for around 7 to 8 hours as well. Just half an hour before grinding the soaked rice, I will go ahead and soak the beaten rice in water.
3 hours later.
After half an hour, let's go ahead and grind the soaked ingredients roughly. As you can see, I have ground all the soaked ingredients to a rough paste, or I have ground it into a idli consistency or rava consistency. Now let's add some salt and mix it thoroughly. As much as you mix, more softer the paddu will turn out to be. Let us go ahead and cover it with a lid and keep it aside in a warm place. We will need to ferment this for around 7 to 8 hours or overnight.
The next day.
The next day morning, as you see, the fermentation process has made this batter more fluffy. Take the required quantity of the batter into another bowl and add some salt. Now let's go ahead and prepare the tempering that is required for this paddu. Turn on the gas stove and keep a pan over it. Add 1.5 teaspoon of oil. One teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds crackle, add 1.5 teaspoons of Bengal gram. Add chopped green chilies. Fry it for a while. After a minute, add chopped onions, and finally add some curry leaves and fry it for a minute or 2. Now let's go ahead and add this tempering to the batter that we had taken out separately. Mix the batter and the tempering well. Now let's turn on the gas again and keep the paddu or appam pan over it. Grease it with oil. Once the appam or paddu pan is heated, pour the batter. Make sure that you keep the flame in medium. Once you pour the batter, cover it with a lid. If you would like to watch any of my previous videos, I would request you to click on the I button that is displayed on the top right corner or on the link that is available on the description box of this video. After around 4 to 5 minutes, with the help of a spoon, flip the paddu to the other side. With the help of a fork, check to see if the paddus are cooked. After around a minute or two, prick the paddus with a fork, and if you do not find any batter on the fork, that means the paddus are cooked. Now as you see, all the paddus are cooked well. Let's go ahead and take it out from the paddu pan. It is known by various names in South India, including Paddu, Appe, Guliyappa, Gulittu, yeriyappa, Appadadde, Gundponglu, ponganalu, etc. As you see, our delicious easy breakfast recipe Paddu is ready to be served. This is a very good combination when had with coconut chutney. If you would like to see more simple, quick and tasty recipes from my kitchen, I request you to subscribe to our channel Namma Aduge and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care and see you all soon.